Check 1 2. It is 9:50 and just watching this AMD sell off here below pre-market lows on Friday here. Daily, not very um, attractive, I guess, for a setup, but some decent selling there. I'm looking back at this area here. I wonder if we get a retracement back up here, if that seller will step back in. Don't really feel like chasing it down here, or even here. We'll see if it retraces back up here. For now, so I'm going to go ahead and set a 132 low of day. Seller is continuing to push. Um, Again, let's see what happens up near 134, 134.20, 134.40. If we get back up there and might be able to initiate a short. Right now, just watching. Don't really see a whole lot of other things moving, so just sitting on hands right now. See if it gets back up there. Check. Okay, it's 10:03, and this AMD did get down to 3250 and is popping now to this big node here at the 33 and a halves. Still would like to see what it looks like up near 34 or something. I wonder if we can we get back up there? Um, just need to be patient and let this thing work. It was down here looking like it was going to just continue to collapse, didn't, and then pop back up. And I think we might be able to get another pop, and then I'd like to see if we get any sellers stepping back in around this area. So just patience. There's a seller advertising at 70 cents. They're trying to get up. Can we get back up to that 34? I think around here is kind of where I'm thinking, but we'll see. We'll see if it can get up there. '70s. Still trying. Almost got there. There's the '80s. Need to watch pretty closely here because I might not have a lot of time to get into it if that seller appears quickly. '90s. Here's the hole. Now I'm watching pretty carefully here. '20s. Gonna try here. Got it there. Setting a 25 stop and short 7 cents. Let's see if we can get back down underneath. Saw the seller step in there, but not seeing them continue. A little bit of continuation there, but not enough. I'd like to see it down in the 80s, 70s really quickly here. I'm not seeing it. There's the 80s. Gonna try to take, I got a partial off down at 81 cents, but there's the 70s. Stopping again here at these 80s. Canceling my stop. Want to see continued downward selling, which I'm not seeing here. Don't like that. This was the spot I was looking for that seller to commit. I'm gonna set the stop up here for 25 cents, so I have a physical stop in place. Let's see if we can get back down to those 70s. It's really got to crack the 80s here. It's really got to break down through them. If the seller is serious, they should have no trouble getting back down here. But doesn't appear to be pushing right now. Here's the 80s again. Can we get lower? Can we get below 80? There's the 70s. Can we get down to the 60s? No, popped right back up again. Gonna take another one off here at 80. Down to a third. Looking for a further breakdown, but not getting it. There's a little more selling coming in. Low 70s. And I just don't like these pops that keep coming back. I really don't like that. I'm about to bomb out of this thing. Yep, I'm gonna bomb out at 93 there. I don't like it. I don't like the fact that it had the chance for that seller to step in. They defended 80 twice and just could not continue to collapse. So I'm going to reevaluate. I don't see the seller stepping in to push down here, and it feels like I'm waiting around just to get popped. So I'm going to go ahead and wait for another attempt, another entry attempt, and wait for a seller to show up.